Hi friends, welcome to Beauty with Karah, where we talk about all things beauty. Today I'm going to be revealing and reviewing all the new summer products. Okay, so I am super excited because we just came out with a bunch of different summer products and most of these are limited edition. So if you see something you like, make sure to go check out the links below. I will link everything down there. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I absolutely love is this travel bag. So how cute is this? So this opens up, so it's like a handle, and this opens up really wide. I just opened it, so it's not as wide as it could be, but it opens pretty wide. And then you can stick stuff in here like this. So I'm actually gonna be putting stuff in it as we go to show you at the end. So this is cute. It has lipstick and lips on it, and it's super cute. And it's pink in the back. So yeah, so that's a travel bag. And then we came out with this eye blending brush. So I'm super excited that Mary Kay came out with another blending brush, because we have this all over kind of blending brush, but it's flat and it's not as soft and fluffy. And I was using the mini one, from the mini kit, but it's mini. So I'm so happy they finally came out with this, and this is actually going to be on the full line now, so I'm super excited. So this is the eye blending brush. I want to say blending sponge for some reason. It's not a sponge, it's a brush. So it's really soft. And then this is limited edition. We have the new brush organizer. Look how cute. So this is cool because it comes out of this thing, so it's easy to clean. And it has different, so it's silicone. So it's like the silicone feel. And, hold on, I'm struggling. And it has different size holes in it, and you can stick your brush, and then you can stick all your other brushes. Bam. This is so exciting. I'm so excited. I have the travel pouch, but I don't want to, I want access to it. So this is cool. And if you have other things like lipsticks and stuff, they can go in the big holes. So let me get one of the other lipsticks. Let me get the lipstick. So lipstick, I can stick that in there. Look at that. Oh my god, so fun. Alright, so that is the brush organizer and the new brush that just came out. This is limited edition. This is on the full line. So, yeah, this is mine. And then the next thing is these eyeshadow quads. So these are cool because it fits into our palettes. So there's 4 different eyeshadows. So this one is cool pinks, and this one is warm pinks. So I'm gonna actually put this on my face and show you what it looks like. But before I do that, let me show you what it looks like in the palette. So this is the Perfect palette, and it holds either 6 eyeshadow or 3 eyeshadow and a blush, or 2 blushes. So this is cool because it fits right in there. So you can actually put both of them in the Perfect palette. Okay, so we're gonna go into lip glosses next. So these are the unlimited lip glosses, the new colors. So this one is Confident Pink, and this one is Hopeful Lilac. So that one's really pretty. So the cool thing about these is that every sale, $1 goes to the Mary Kay Foundation, which actually donates to domestic violence shelters and cancer research. So that's pretty cool. So I'm not gonna put the pink on because pink doesn't look good on me, lipstick wise. So I'm gonna try the Hopeful Lilac because it's purple. So for some reason, pink lipstick doesn't work, but pink everything else was fine. I don't know, maybe it's the color of my lips. So yeah, I'm gonna try this. Okay, so that is the Hopeful Lilac. And these are supposed to be non-sticky, non-tacky, and they have different kinds. So we have like pearl and cream. I'll do a different video on all the different kinds of lip glosses that we have. For some reason they're different, but I'm not sure which one these are. Let's see. I believe these are a cream. So these are a cream lip gloss. So they're not sparkly per se. They're like, they have like little chopped up glitter inside of it, so they do sparkle a little bit, but they're not like glossy, if that makes sense. But I don't know. Do I like lip glosses? This is actually a nice color for a lip gloss. Usually lip glosses don't show up on me. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so those are the new lip glosses and the color quads and the brush. So that's all the makeup items. The next thing I want to talk about is actually a men's item. What? Another men's item. So this is the beard oil. And the cool thing about this is that it's a little syringe and it's supposed to condition and soften the guy's beard and then be able to maintain it better. So that's cool. So whoever has their favorite man has a beard, who a lot of men have beards nowadays. I think it's like a trend to have a beard. So yeah, beard oil. All right, so the next thing, this is one of my favorite products already. This is the new micellar water. So if you've ever heard of micellar water, it's like a cleanser almost, but like you don't need water to use it. So micellar water has micelles that act like a magnet to like basically magnetize all the impurities on your skin and like take them off, if that makes sense. So I actually have a bronzer on my hand, so I can show you this. So you basically take this and put it on like a cotton pad or something. You don't want to use too much because actually if it gets sticky on your face, you know you're using too much. You only need a little bit. And then you're just going to wipe your face down with it. So this is actually good on the go. So like if you're at the gym or something and need to wipe your face down real quick, or if you're taking off your makeup at night, this can be used as a double cleanser. So if you're doing it right, so I'm going to actually make another video on taking off your makeup at night, but for at night you're supposed to double cleanse, so you're supposed to take your makeup off first and then use your regular cleanser. So this is what it looks like. Can you see it? It's all dirty. So basically you just do this until your cotton pad is not dirty anymore, and then you know your face is clean. So that's awesome, and you don't need water. So if you're like, you know, on the go, you don't need water, you just need a cotton pad or a tissue. I just use a tissue. So, and then you're good to go. So I like this when I'm going to other people's places because sometimes it's just easier to wipe my face off than to like actually wash my face in their sink. So that's exciting. My cat is running around like a nutball. Lara! Okay. Anyways. Alright, so the next item, which we have every summer actually. Oh, and by the way, the micellar water is not limited edition. It is here to stay, so I'm so excited about that. But summer products that come out every summer are the After Sun Replenishing Gel and the Subtle Tanning Lotion. So the After Sun Replenishing Gel, my cat is running around like a nutball. Lara! Lara! Are you done? Lara? Okay. So the After Sun Replenishing Gel goes on your skin after you're in the sun all day. So if you accidentally got like a sunburn or you're a little crisp, you know what I mean? So put this on right afterwards, and this helps, so this has aloe in it. So it helps soothe the sunburn and calms it down. And it also reduces the redness. So I got really bad sunburn last year because I didn't put enough sunscreen on like the back. So like my legs, my knees, like the back of my knees were so sunburned. And like, you know you're gonna peel, right? Like after getting that, like I know I was gonna peel. I was like, oh my God, this is gonna suck. I put this on and in 2 or 3 days, it was like completely gone. No peeling, the redness like reduced like every day by like half. It was like crazy. This stuff is amazing. I don't even know how it can be so awesome, but basically you just put this on and you put it on like every so often. I would say like every like twice a day maybe. That's what I did, and it just like soothes it and reduces the redness, and it helps prevent the peeling of the sunburn. Everyone is different, but that's what it did for me, and it was crazy. I was like, could not believe how well this worked. So one of my favorite products. And then the subtle tanning lotion. So this is awesome because if you're someone who doesn't tan very well, or you just don't like getting burnt, and you just want to like, you know, use sunscreen, be good, whatever. This is a subtle tanning lotion that you put on basically twice a day for a week, and then it gets you tan from using it, and it doesn't streak, it doesn't like wash off or anything. It'll eventually fade if you stop using it, but basically you use it twice a day for a week, and then it gets you to a tan, and then you just apply it every week just to maintain it. So when you stop using it after, like if you do it every week, it'll maintain it, but then if you stop, it'll eventually fade, if that makes sense. So that's fun. My stepmother actually loves this stuff. She's like, I'm so tan. And she likes to bake in the sun, but she was like, oh, I don't have to bake in the sun now. I can just use this subtle tanning lotion. So that's a safer way to do it, yeah. Alright, so my last product that I have is the body care set that smells like cherry. So this is the box, but it has a sparkling cherry body lotion. It smells really good, actually. It smells like cherry, and it's like it smells like a sparkling cherry wine. I don't know how else to explain it. And then it has the sparkling cherry fragrance mist. So that's cool. So it's a body set altogether. So yeah, so those are the new summer products, and if you would like to try them out, so we are doing events in one of my Facebook groups. It's called the Ultimate Home Pampering Group, so the links will be down below for you to register for the event, and basically you register for the event. It's only $5 to get a package in the mail, which only covers shipping, so you know. And then it has like all these product samples and stuff, so you get to try it out before you buy. And then there's a virtual video that you can watch and see how to do everything and do it yourself. And then during that video, we do giveaways and prizes like that. So that's pretty cool. So definitely go check that out. You can go down below. The registration link is there. Just click on it, fill it out real quick, and then someone will contact you about your package and just confirm. If you don't get a confirmation in a couple days, try it out again. If you still don't get a confirmation, my contact information is all the way at the bottom of the description, so you can text me if you would like, and I will make sure to get back to you to make sure you're in the event. So that is happening June 17th. So I think the last day to register for the event is a week prior to that. So I think it's June 10th. So make sure you go and check that out and click on that and register, because that's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so this is the travel bag I mentioned earlier with all of the summer products in it. So as you can see, it fits a lot. There's even like some more room in here. So I could have probably put this thing in there, but I decided not to. So it is pretty decently sized, and it has like those pockets, so if you can put stuff inside the pocket things. So that's really cool. Yeah, I love this. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will make sure to do videos like this every time we have product launches. Again, product links will be down below. So if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for more videos every Thursday. I will link the playlist for all the product reviews over there. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.